Hello fellow woodworkers and possibly dog enthusiasts. Today we're going to be making one of these. An interesting color. It looks almost like pink. It says right here, showstopper. It's supposed to be this red, so we're gonna see. Hopefully I didn't mess it up. Good thing I checked. I was gonna paint the nose red like on the tiger, but I just need to paint this red in the center. Guess that's a nose. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's a tongue. Right, the dog's all ready, so I didn't play suck here and torturing him by making him sweat and pant. He just crashes and sun tans all the time, so I merely put these two next to him so that we can stage it a little bit, just a little bit. And then, yeah, they came out really nice. I'm very happy. I mean, it's really cool. I like the depth. I wasn't sure if I should cut this through or just paint it on, but I think painting it on is perfect, because otherwise it would have been, you can only see it from some angles, because like there, you can see how this line disappears, even though it's quite a bit. So that's why I leant towards doing it this way. I'm glad I did. It came out really nice. So great success. Thanks you guys for watching, and we'll make something else next time. Saki, you wanna go in the pool?